We guide you through how to enable voice typing on Samsung keyboard so you can type hands-free and faster. First thing you need to do is open settings on your Samsung phone and tap General Management. Next, select Keyboard List and Default. Then choose Samsung Keyboard. Tap Voice Input and make sure it's turned on. And confirm that Google Voice Typing or Samsung Voice Input is enabled. After that, open any app where you can type, such as messages or notes, and tap the microphone icon on the keyboard. Start speaking clearly, and your words will appear as text automatically. This feature is great for quick messages, longer notes, or typing when your hands are busy, making everyday typing more convenient.